we're going to look at an example problem where we make the decision to either sell the unit now or process it further. So the problem says Upstart Inc. makes unfinished cabinets that it sells for $62 each. Production costs are $28 of variable costs and $15 of fixed costs. Because it has unused capacity, Upstart Inc. is considering finishing the cabinets and selling them for $80 each. Variable finishing costs are expected to be $8 per unit with no increase in fixed costs. We need to prepare an analysis on a per unit basis showing whether Upstart Inc. should sell unfinished or finished cabinets. So we're going to set up a table like this, and all of our information is up there at the top. The first line is the sales price per unit. Well, if we sell these cabinets unfinished, we're going to sell them for $62 each. And if we finish them, we can sell them for $80. So we'll put 62 and 80. And then you'll notice over in the net income increase or decrease column, we have an 18. How did we get that? Well, if we are selling finished cabinets for $80, that's $18 more than if we sell it unfinished. So our net income would increase $18 per unit. Now variable cost per unit. If it's unfinished, it's just $28. If we finish them, it's that $28 plus the additional $8 per unit for variable finishing costs. So that comes out to be $36 as our variable cost per unit for the finished cabinets. And our variable costs are increasing. So that's going to decrease our net income. Now fixed costs per unit. Well, that didn't change, right? Whether they're unfinished or finished, it was going to be $15 per unit. So now we can figure out the total cost per unit. So we'll take our variable and our fixed and add those together, right? So under the unfinished cabinets, that's 28 plus 15. The finished cabinets, that's 36 plus 15. So we find our total cost per unit. And if we were to finish these cabinets, our costs are $8 more per unit. So that would decrease our net income by 8. Now, our net income per unit. What we'll do is we'll take our sales price per unit and subtract our total cost per unit for each of the unfinished and the finished columns. So we can see that based off of these sales price and cost amounts, if we sell our unfinished cabinets, we are getting a net income of $19 per unit. But if we were to sell finished cabinets, we would have a net income of $29 per unit, an increase of $10 per unit. So now our decision. Should Upstart Inc. sell the cabinets finished or unfinished? We're going to be looking right at the net income. We see that if we sell them finished, we make more, so that will be our decision.